welcome back to my channel. It's her hair glory, because a woman's hair is her glory. If you're coming back to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like what you see and that you hit the subscribe button. Guys, I do want to encourage you guys to like my video. Please like this video. It really doesn't take anything from you guys. It just takes 2 seconds. It's just a really effortless way of you guys supporting my channel, helping my channel grow, because you know I keep pumping out these videos. It takes a lot, trust me, because I don't even have a working laptop. So for me to bring these videos to you guys, it takes a lot, guys. And it doesn't take anything for you to hit like. Just hit the like button, okay? Hit like now. I'll wait. So I was just thinking, guys, you know, I have been putting together, you know, a basics of natural hair care series. You guys know that I have this series. If you don't know, check it out. And I try to put videos for people who are starting, who don't know where to begin. So I have a video on how I pre-poo my hair, a video on how I wash my hair safely, a video on how I deep condition, a video on protein treatment, a moisture routine, and these are just, you know, the basic building blocks of a natural hair care routine. Now I realized that, you know what, I have all these videos in different places, but you know what, let me actually just come here and spout out from start to finish a really basic hair care routine. I'm gonna talk you through from the start to the finish. I'm gonna talk you through from start to finish, beginning to end, from top to bottom. If you just, you know, you don't know where to begin, you just want to know, as someone who just, what are the really basics of taking care of your hair. So I'm gonna talk you through this, and I have my products here to show you, you know, and then once you get this on lock, you can graduate to, you know, a higher level of, now you're adding all these other treatments, more rice water, more onion juice, and then once you get that on lock, you can go even deeper and start, you know, all of these 100 million things that we do to our hair. But if that all just overwhelms you, and then you just want to know, sis, I just want to know how to take care of my hair, I don't have all that time, then this is what you need to do. So let's just get straight into it. So guys, the 4 things, you know, the basic structure, skeletal structure, foundational structure of taking care of your hair, there's 4 elements to it. You need to cleanse your hair, you need to deep condition, you need to moisturize, and you need to protect. So that's 4 things. Maybe I'll have them pop up on the screen so that you guys can literally remember this. So let's start from the beginning. Cleansing your hair. So when you cleanse your hair, you basically have to shampoo your hair. I shampoo my hair every 2 weeks. You need to decide if your hair can handle it every week, or if you need to do your hair every 2 weeks. So the shampoo that I use, this is the shampoo that I always use. It's either I'm using this Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Repair that I bought before that embarrassing debacle, or I use organics. I'll admit that I haven't really tried a lot of local brands. I will get into buying more local brands. But guys, I need money. You know, these things cost money. And you know, your girl actually wants to start a PayPal so that, you know, y'all can support and y'all can, you know, help me pay for all of these reviews so I can actually do more reviews for you guys. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. I shampoo with this. You don't have to use this one, just use any good shampoo. This one is silicone free, but you typically just want to have a sulfate free shampoo. Okay? Yeah, I'm not even going to talk about clarifying. Just get yourself a shampoo. You can get any affordable shampoo. Wash your hair every week or every 2 weeks. Now, I actually kind of have stopped using conditioners. I'm not sure if that is necessary. But normally, you know, you buy your shampoo and you buy your conditioner. Really, I don't see the point of conditioner anymore, because we're going to skip straight to step number 2, and that is deep conditioning. So now that you've shampooed your hair, you've stripped away all the good oils, you have to deep condition your hair. Now, deep conditioning, we do it for 2 purposes. There's moisturizing deep conditioners, or there are protein treatments that are deep conditioners. Protein treatment deep conditioners repair. Moisturizing deep conditioners put moisture into your hair. With protein, you have to be careful because if you put too much protein in your hair, you can literally cause problems. So what I suggest as a basic routine, you're just gonna get yourself a moisturizing deep conditioner that you will use regularly. So I typically do my own deep conditioner, which is my DIY avocado deep conditioner. And for me, that's a good balance between protein and moisture because it has egg, it has avocado, it has banana. So I feel like it's a good balance. But not everybody likes to be in the kitchen mixing things and putting their groceries on their hair. They just prefer to go into a store and buy. A store-bought deep conditioner that I bought, that I tried, is Auntie Jackie's. It's the Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner. That is for moisture. Okay. So you use this moisturizing deep conditioning treatment after you shampoo your hair. I would suggest that maybe once a month you use a protein deep conditioner, okay? Because you have to keep that moisture protein balance. That's important. But I'm even thinking like maybe for some people that may just be too complicated. If you can't get a lot of these things, then just get the Auntie Jackie's moisturizing deep conditioner. If you can get a protein one that you're going to use maybe once a month, get the Hask Keratin Protein Treatment. It is important actually, guys. So the deep conditioner, it's twofold. Sometimes you're going to use the moisturizing one, and then once a month you use the Hask Keratin Protein Treatment. So now we have done cleansing, we've done the deep conditioning, now we are going to moisture. So this is where you do your moisture routine. And for your moisture routine, the method I typically follow is the LCO method: liquid, cream, and oil. I also have a video on this. For my liquid, just to keep it simple for you guys, just use water. Get yourself a spray bottle like this one. This I got it at Discount. This was $26.95. You get your spray bottle, just put water to keep things simple. And then you need to get yourself a cream. The cream that I use is the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. That's the cream that I use. And the oil that I use, you guys know I have my own mixture concoction of different oils, but to keep it simple for you guys, you can just go and get argan oil, you can get the amla oil, you can get your favorite oil, olive oil. If you have fine hair like me, definitely stay away from thicker, heavier oils like castor oil. I think I'm also going to do a video on, you know, what to avoid if you have fine hair. Yes, stick to your lighter oils like argan oil, avocado oil, olive oil. And on top of that, so that the oil is to seal everything in, on top of that, I always like to use a shea butter. So I put a butter on top. So I don't know if this is going to complicate things for you guys. I don't think so. I think you guys can do this. I like to use this shea butter. I also have a homemade shea butter that my cousin made for me. This is from the Problematic company that I did a video on. If you feel like the shea butter is just too many steps for you, leave it at the oil. And then you move on to the fourth thing, which is protecting. And this is your protective style. Your hair shouldn't be out and about living life like the rest of us. No. Your hair needs to be on lockdown, okay? Level 5. For most of the time, because this is a whole other video about explaining when our hair is out, it gets damaged, we're touching our hair, it gets damaged, and it just gives our hair too many chances to break. After all of this, you need to lock your hair away. Keep your hair tucked away until your next wash day, and then you just repeat the same steps. So the first step is to cleanse with whatever shampoo that you choose. Second step is to deep condition. Deep condition with the moisturizing deep conditioner, and once a month add in your protein deep conditioner to keep the moisture protein balance. Or you could just use my DIY avocado treatment, watch that video. And then after deep conditioning, you want to do your moisture routine. Your moisture routine is your LCO method: liquid, which is water; C, cream, which is your leave-in conditioner; and your O, which is your oil of your choice. After that, you want to protect your hair. You're either going to braid it up, 3-strand braids, you're going to put in twists, you're going to cornrow your hair, and you're going to keep your hair on lockdown until your next wash day. And so the cycle continues. And then as you see, as you keep doing that, you notice that your hair starts to grow more, your hair is more moisturized, your hair is looking shiny, it's healthy, it's just happy. And yeah, that's a really basic hair regimen. Yeah, guys, so that's a very, very basic hair regimen. That's really like foundational. If you can at least do that, you're fine. And then as you get more comfortable, then you can add, like I said, take it up a step. What they say? Take it up a notch. Take it up a notch, you know. Then you can start adding your pre-poo, your onion juice, your rice water, your this and your that, your, you know, all these other million things that we do. But I realize that, you know, sometimes mentioning all these things is just so overwhelming, and you know, some people just don't have the time and the patience to be doing a million things. So if you can just do these 4 things, I think you'll be really good. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, guys, if you found this video helpful, guys, then please do like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.